Over the last week, between seeing patients and my subspecialty duties, I did not just study. I built this. It's an Auto-CRF app that takes study data and perfectly tabulates it into a Google Sheet through a beautifully simple interface. No more endless re-entering data in master sheets. No more wasted time. Look, my mails and comments are always full of people asking for my study routines and how to clear NEET, INI or FICO. And yes, exams are important. But what if I told you that clearing NEET PG isn't the end goal? What if the 5.5 years of your MBBS and internship gave you the exact blueprint to build software that actually fixes our broken healthcare systems? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something different. I want to talk about you leading the biomedical tech space as a doctor. Right now on screen you are looking at my Auto-CRF app. I built this as a hobby to automate my own study workflow. Instead of drowning in paperwork, I use this interface. It's fast, it's palatable, and it gives me my time back, so I can actually focus on treating patients and reading more about my subject. Now you might be wondering, how does anyone find time to build apps during an intensely demanding schedule? Here is a quick personal truth. For the last 4 months, I have completely shut out of social media. Instead of succumbing to that constant urge to open these apps and losing hours to endless scrolling, I've stepped away, and honestly, it helped me explore my actual potential and focus on what truly matters. Having a great idea is one thing, but the real discipline lies in not just creating but following up on your idea. And that follow-up led to my next big project. I realized that problems in our clinics, like getting endocrinology clearance for retina patients to get their treatment scheduled, is time consuming and leads to loss of patient follow-up. The paper trails are endless. So for the community, I am currently working on this Endo Retina Care App. The goal is to move scheduling and clearance completely online. If the regulations and community approve it, we lock down the security measures and we can literally eliminate the paper trail and save hours of time for both the patients and the doctors. Imagine the implications if each one of us does something to help your niche, and the world will be a better place. Our generation is incredibly tech savvy, and you don't just have to be a clinician who complains about the system. You can be the architect who fixes it. Use your medical knowledge to build apps and biomedical tech that not only supports the community, it may create an alternative stream of income or research for you. And we shouldn't be waiting for IT guys with zero medical background to build our tools. And to follow up on the public pledge, I aim to keep on developing these tools to finish this app and to use my training to bring better welfare to the patients and people around us. If you are burnt out from exam prep, let this be a reminder that there are 101 different ways to be a phenomenal doctor. If this tech side of medicine excites you, I have a surprise. In my next video, I am going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how I built my first Auto-CRF app step by step. If you want to see that tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe and type build it in the comments below. Please keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video.